So that is what we do as an organization. Idea is not to sell product to you. Idea of this tour or visit is to impart knowledge, whatever we have. However, during the course of this knowledge exchange, we have a functioning experience center where you can touch, feel how it works, why it works. Feel free to ask as many questions.
Hi, I'm Hafele and I'm a second year interior design student at AOD. So the workshop we had today taught us a lot of things, especially to know that this sort of innovative medium is there in a country that we didn't think it was actually there is something that I personally thought was such a great thing. And as an interior designer who I hope to be in the future, I realized that the market is huge, and like to know that this sort of technology actually exists makes me feel like my design experience is going to be far greater than I ever expected.
They have this wide range that gives people the choices they would love to create spaces they love, and they could feel it and experience it themselves. I would like to thank Hafele for giving us this opportunity to actually do this workshop where we learned a lot. And they were so generous to us when it came to whether it was answering our questions or showing us how each mechanism works. And we learned a lot, and they were so nice and open, and they answered any design questions we had, whether it was related to their products or not. So we had this wonderful day where we got to spend time with people in the industry, and they were so helpful, and we're so thankful for this experience.
Hafele, let's reimagine.